So by default, once you deploy a new revision, it is set to the latest. So all traffic is sent to it. But what you can do is you can, go to a revision and then basically kind of just click on manage traffic here and then just say, serve, let's just say this is the one that I think if I look at the time, this is the one that I did first, right? And then I can just say serve 100% traffic to it, right? So this would then basically point back to the old revision that we basically built, right? So you are saying, okay, no, I don't want to use this new one. Maybe I don't like what I've written here. So I want to go back to the previous one and I can just refresh. And now I see that, I have the previous one, right? You can do some interesting things like, for instance, you could say, so the latest one should have maybe, let's say 50% of the traffic. And then let's just say the first one I created should also have 50% of the traffic. So anytime someone visits, there's a 50-50 probability that they will get the old one or the new one, right? Maybe we can increase this one to, let's decrease this one to 10%. So the probability that they will get the latest one will be 10%, and then the probability they will get the other one will be 90%, right? This might hurt us because now we have to probably refresh the page a couple of times to make sure that, we can get either of them. So let's just try and see if we will get either of them. So we are getting the initial one, It's like 10% of the, is 90% or is it 10%, right? So the initial one is, I think the initial one is like 90% of the time, and then the current one is 10% of the time. So we might get it, we might not get it. I should have increased the percentage. I mean, okay, so we've gotten it. Okay, yeah. So you kind of are able to get it, 10% of the time. So someone might visit and get it, someone might visit and not get it. So that is just something very interesting.